Hi, Burley here. So last night I added this little mute icon here, and there was one problem with it that I didn't really like, and that is that wherever you view it from, it's just kind of pointing in the direction that it was. And my solution at the time was to kind of plop it onto the head so that it would stick with the head. But then if I was looking sideways, this wouldn't point to the viewer. I didn't really like that. I'm going to show you my solution to that. So for me, I'm using Poiyomi. I currently have the material selected for this. I go to vertex options right here, and there is look at. And as you can see, the moment I turn it on, it's twisting, it's contorting all the wrong ways, but it's following the camera, or at least it's like trying to follow the camera. And right now, it's not really doing a good job because the settings are messed up. So I wanted to only follow the camera when you turn left and right. So right here you see that the max pitch and the max jaw are set to be able to completely rotate around. Don't want that. So I'm going to set this to 0, this to 0, and this to 0, and this to 0. And that's a lot better, but it's still misbehaving, right? That's because the direction of the rotations isn't right. It's currently thinking that Z is forward, but since our object is actually rotated, we want this to be swapped around. And this is kind of a blender thing, I suppose. But we're just going to switch these two around. And now you can see it follows perfectly, just as it intended. So if I'm going to export this and send it over to Warudo, now it should behave as intended. Also, funny little side note here, when I select this model, you can actually see the wireframe and what it's normally looking like. But the shader is making it so that the vertices move depending on where the camera is viewing it from. So that's why there is a difference here. But anyways, I hope this might come in handy if you ever want to do something like this. And there you go.